ambition also takes a big role here. The parents also should have that kind of ambition. Child should also should have that kind of ambition, and coaches should be always there as a moral support, supporting these children. It is, yes, you are very correct.
You're very correct, Mr. Vijay Sadhi. That means, as per Mr. Vijay Sadhi and also my view also, for the building of the future of a young child who comes in the table tennis depends upon the coach, parent and teacher. These three has to schedule the things for the boy because he doesn't understand what is schedule at that age. So if we make them to be for 1 year, I think they will they cope up and they will come up. Am I correct?
Sure, sir. That is very important because we as coaches, we know there's an age for imitation, coordination. There's an age to develop explosive strength. There's an age to perform at higher level. So that is, we cannot change that because that is biomechanics. We cannot change certain things. That is science. So according to age, we have to train and they have to stay training. So then only the result will come. So we cannot leave the players at any stage, and since they have to stay training, the support of others is very important.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Vijay Sadhi, who has got the international exposure by going along the Indian teams, and he has given very good opinion that a sportsman, that is particularly in table tennis, because we know only table tennis, that they need not fear, the parents need not fear about the education while putting them in the table tennis also. In fact, the table tennis helps to increase their study levels and concentration and overall development of personality. Thank you, Mr. Vijay Sadhi, being with us. And your final advice to our present sub-junior national players. What's your advice for them?
My advice is only this, that it's only a game. Play the game, the spirit of the game. Be happy, play well, very well. Fight till the end, but whether you lose or win, come out smiling.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay. It's correct that if a table tennis player, do in table tennis very well, definitely will do in the other national, that is the education national also. If he doesn't do in table tennis national, he cannot do in the education national also. Both go hand in hand and they have to develop themselves in both the nationals. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now I